concerns, and I'm sure NASCAR's working on resolutions and solutions for those issues. The car's still got a lot of things that can be improved, and things that drivers and teams and engineers and all have question marks on. NASCAR's, from what I can tell, been eager to make the improvements the car needs and get the drivers where they're going to be comfortable. And so the cars are quite unique. It does even better.
What do you think about them taking this layout to Los Angeles, replicating basically Bowman Gray in the big city?
Well, I think it's a great. I was really skeptical. In my mind, if you take the current car that we have and try to drive around this track, it's not going to be a lot of fun. You're not going to be able to get the power down. The tire's too small. It's not going to brake into the corner as well. You're going to slide the tire, the left front tire, flat spot the tire. It's going to chatter the rear tires into the corner. But this car does all the things that I was worried about. It does them all.